Cool.
Isn't that cool, man? Now we got the cedar llamas, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
This is fun. This is like Lansing. Watch out for the tram car.
Shit, ram car.
Tram car.
Ram car. Caution, tunnel ahead, remain seated. Okay? Look, they got the Christmas stuff here. Look, they run this thing during Christmas. They probably do
Nice.
the whole thing. We'll have to come back, Chase.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Well, we could just
I'd love to
Chase,
see that.
We were thinking, Chase, we'll leave you on the train. How's that sound? You want to sleep on the train the rest of your life? You want to train people? Why not? Huh? Oh,
Wake
now,
up.
not
Oh,
now.
you're
Wake up
pretending
now.
you're
You can
sleeping?
sleep later. You got to at least see this. Look at the whole something they did here. I don't know. Is it something they did?
Oh, wow.
Okay.
We're going through the tunnel, James.
Don't get scared now. Don't get scared. All right, now take it easy. Take it easy. Oh, this is probably a big thing for the Halloween they're doing here.
Oh, yeah. Look at the lights up here, James.
It's a coal mine.
Yeah.
All right, Chase, we're coming up on the big animal soon enough, my friend. Oh, we're going over a bridge too, you know. Chase, we're going over a bridge, you know that, right?
Great.
Look, there's the ostriches. There's the ostriches and the little deer. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Well, it'd be nice if they weren't in a cage, but all right. So one thing. We should put some animals out here.
You in those
Bird
cages.
house. Look at all the birdhouses, Chase. You know the birdhouse?
Yeah.
Like Mary
Look, Chase,
has
look
in
up in
front
the
of,
trees.
Rain
The bird
Tree.
houses.
It's like what Mary has in front of Rain Tree, right?
I know.
There's the owl.
Oh, here's a bridge.
Don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. Oh, look at the horse, the one that bit me. That sucker got me good, like 3-4 times. I've been bit harder. Hit harder, bit harder. Chase, now, he's got to be looking on the left. This is where the action is.
Yeah.
Chase,
See the horse over
you should
here?
scoot him up over here.
Yeah.
Me, boy. Yeah, your butt.
I think he's just enjoying the ride more than anything.
All right.
Yeah, he walked around and took in all the animals.
Yeah.
He seems to be really
Relaxed.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's something in this cage, man. Yeah, look, a lot.
Oh, we missed him.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, okay.
You
That's
know?
why.
Oh, there's a crow right there.
Oh.
That's why I couldn't see him at the bottom.
Okay.
There's a crow. Yeah, it was a black moth, so couldn't see him. I just saw a little crow, unless it was a raven or something.
Yeah, could be.
Goats you'll see. They go to the zoo, you'll see the crow. This, Chase, we're going to get one of these when we get over. We are going to get one of these when we get over. If I come with the money, you're going to love that.
Oh, they're waving.
Look at the truck with the...
They're waving to
us.
us.
Look at the truck with the alligator on it. What is this, animal center? We can't come back here. What is that about?
I don't know.
Maybe it's like something they have to take care of. Oh, here we go, Chase. Here's the big part. Here's the big part of the waiting for. Big part of the waiting for. Look, the hell, we're going to be right by the bicycle.